Alright, hello everybody, this is Mr. Raglan. In this video I will be showing you how to find the volume of a triangular prism. Okay, so volume is just the amount of space that a three-dimensional object takes up. And in previous videos we talked about how to find the volume of prisms, and to find the volume of prisms we use this formula. Volume equals the area of the base, represented by the capital B, times the height of the prism. So in this video we have a triangular prism. So that means I have a triangular base. Okay, I have a triangular base. A lot of students will look at this figure and they will see the rectangular faces and they will assume that it's a rectangular prism, or they will just look at the bottom of this figure and they will see that it's a rectangle and will say, hey, it's a rectangular prism. But it's not. Okay, what makes it a triangular prism is that you have two congruent and parallel sides that are triangles. Okay, so the bases of this figure are the sides that are congruent and parallel to each other. And if I look at this figure, the triangles are what's congruent and parallel, not the rectangles. The rectangles are not parallel. They may be congruent, but they're not parallel. So anyway, we have a triangular base. So we're going to calculate the area of this triangular base, and then we're just going to multiply it by the height. Okay, or the distance to get from this end over here to the other base or the other triangle on this side. So area of the base, you have to know the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 the base, which is a lowercase b, the base of the triangle, times the height of the triangle. So this is the area of the triangle, and then we're going to multiply the area of the triangle times the height of the prism, okay, which is 12 centimeters. All right, now it's also important that you guys write down the formulas, okay, because it can get a little tricky with the lowercase b and you have two different heights, okay, that you have to keep track of. So always write down the formula to keep your work nice and neat. So 1/2 times the base of my triangle, which is 8 centimeters, times the height of my triangle, which is 3 centimeters. And then we're going to multiply this area of the triangle by the height of the prism, okay, which is 12 centimeters. All right, so we'll just take it step by step. 1/2 times 8, or 1/2 of 8, that's 4. So we have 4 times 3 times 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. So now we have 12 times 12. So the area of our triangle, which is 12 centimeters squared, times the height of the prism. So 12 times 12, that's 144 cubic centimeters. Okay, and there you go, the volume of a triangular prism.